Running your own business and overwhelmed by self-employment taxes? If Schedule C and the self-employment tax seem daunting, you're not alone. Today, we're walking through filing taxes as self-employed with TurboTax. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. When you're self-employed, you report your business income and expenses on Schedule C and pay self-employment tax, Social Security and Medicare on your net profit. The right product? Use TurboTax Self-Employed. Make sure you're using the correct version of TurboTax. The Self-Employed edition is designed specifically for freelancers, independent contractors, and small business owners. It includes guidance for business deductions and industry-specific advice. The process: detail your income and expenses. You'll go through the Business Income section. Here, you'll enter all your 1099s and other income. Then, you'll be guided through a comprehensive list of business expense categories, from advertising and home office to vehicle use and supplies. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: connect your bank and credit card accounts. TurboTax Self-Employed can automatically import and categorize your business transactions throughout the year. This is the ultimate time saver and ensures you don't miss a single deductible expense come tax time. So, just like that, you're equipped to handle your self-employment taxes like a pro. Using the right tools goes a long way in managing the complexity of business taxes. Now I'm curious, what's your biggest deduction as a self-employed individual? Home office? Mileage? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.